Hey everyone, it's Techdevil here. Today, we are diving into the much-anticipated Nothing CMF Phone 1 to see if it lives up to the hype. Whether you're a hardcore tech enthusiast or just curious about new gadgets, stay tuned. Let's kick things off with the design. The CMF Phone 1 has a sleek, minimalist look that Nothing is quickly becoming known for. It comes in 3 colors, black, white, and a limited edition transparent model. Now let's talk about the display. The CMF Phone 1 sports a 6.55-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. It's got a 90 Hz refresh rate, making for super smooth scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, this phone packs a punch with a Snapdragon 778G processor. It's a solid mid-range chip that balances performance and battery efficiency quite well. When it comes to RAM and storage, you've got 2 options. There's the entry-level variant with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And if you need more space, there's a 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage option as well. No micro SD card slot here, so pick wisely based on your needs. Alright camera enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 features a triple camera setup on the back. You get a 64MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro sensor. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera for all your social media needs. Battery life is always crucial. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a 4500 mAh battery, which should easily last you a full day of moderate use. Plus, it supports 33W fast charging, so you can quickly juice up when you're in a hurry. Now let's talk software. The CMF Phone 1 runs on Nothing OS, based on Android 13. It's clean, minimalistic, and bloatware-free, which is a breath of fresh air in today's smartphone market. You're probably wondering about the price. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 starts at $399 for the 8GB/128GB variant, and goes up to $499 for the 12GB/256GB model. It's a competitive price point, especially considering the features you're getting. So is it worth it? If you're looking for a phone that offers a great balance of design, performance, and price, the Nothing CMF Phone 1 is definitely worth considering. It's not the most powerful phone on the market, but for its price range, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Nothing CMF Phone 1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Techdevil out. And remember, subscribing to the channel helps us bring you more awesome content. See you next time.